Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Appsbd tutorial. This video will show how you can create a coupon code for affiliates of the Appsbd products. Let's dive into it. If you're new to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you're already a subscriber, we sincerely appreciate your support. First, log into the Impact Affiliate web portal. Once you're logged in, you'll see this interface. At the top, in the middle, there's a content menu. In the drop-down, select promo codes. This will take you to the promo code list. Since I haven't created any promo codes yet, the list is currently empty. To create a promo code, click on Request Promo Code. You'll need to fill in some details here. First, under Campaign Details, select the campaign as Appsbd Affiliate. If you have a deal, select it next. In the Request Details section, enter the coupon code you'd like to request in the Suggest Promo Code field, then choose the date. If you have any additional information, you can add it in the comments section. Finally, click the Submit button. That concludes our overview of creating a coupon code for affiliates. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.